Good morning, guys. It's like 7:35 right now, 7:39. Super early morning, but I have getting my hair done, my hair cut. I like impulsively made an appointment the day before, so I'm gonna cut it above my shoulders. I'm pretty sure. I think it's just ready for a chop. I feel like I just look better with short hair. Hey guys, so I'm at Matt's house now. I've been here for a couple days, but we were just kind of chilling for the past couple days. It was his sister, the twin sister's birthday, so we celebrated that. Here's a little clip from that, or boomerang, whatever I have. Hello.
Hi.
So we're about to make sandwiches for lunch.
Yep.
What's on the menu?
Sourdough bread. This is all organic, by the way. I'm on that kick now.
Yeah, he's been eating like all organic, been looking at their ingredients and stuff.
But yeah, so we're gonna make a sourdough sandwich with cheddar, turkey ham, avocado, and red pepper, roasted red peppers.
Yum!
Kiss.
Wow.
So we're gonna keep going. They're switching gears.
Get you a man that cooks for you.
It's coming in on the cousin.
Okay, let's try it out. Mmm. Dude, this tastes like Potbellies.
Really?
Yeah. It's really good.
Oh, I'm glad.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Get the turkey, ham, avocado, and roasted red peppers. Mmm.
So we just finished the mall. I got some stuff from Mac using my Mac Pro discount. I don't know if I told you guys, but I applied for Mac Pro and I got approved, which means I get 40% off, which is amazing. That was better than my Sephora discount. Thank you.
Yes. I forgot about the custard.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
You always need this. Like, if you don't eat this with your udon, you're doing something wrong.
No, really. Adds so much flavor.
Okay, so I wanted to show you guys some of the stuff I got from Mac. So I picked up this eyeliner. It's like a nude liner. Oh, lip liner in Costa Ricci, which is an eyeliner. Got this lip brush. I got a MAC Studio Fix in NC30, NC45, Max Fix Plus, one of my favorite setting sprays. I got the new MAC mascara because it looks freaking amazing on everybody. And then I picked up the Soft and Gentle Highlight. And then I also got this eyeshadow 9 pan, which is just like all matte shades. It looks like this. It's small, but they're pretty much like all the matte shades that I need. And I really do like their matte shadows. So we're going to surprise Julie right now. We're meeting up with Sylvia and probably some of her friends in Virginia. We're going to Annandale. And I'm super excited. It's actually like probably like the second time we're finally meeting up while we're both like in Maryland. Like I've been trying to meet up with Julie and you know our schedules are hard because we're both like meeting people. But I think she'll be super excited.
Oh, yeah.
So we'll see you soon, Juju. Hi, Juju. Hi. I'll just go down.
Sorry, I should have just said come by 7.
Hi. Hi. How are you?
We're just starting.
Like, I'm really get seated. Like, it's just us two.
No, she's like, oh look, Rila Kuma, like in the car. Like, you know the teddy bear? And I'm like, close the door, I'm trying to lock it, let's go inside. She's just like taking her time.
Yeah, and I'm like waiting up there. She's like, we got a reservation. I was like, oh my god.
I was sweating.
Happy birthday.
So just got back from the gym. I did legs today and oh my god, I'm so exhausted. I like felt pretty weak today. I couldn't go as heavy as I usually do. So that got me a little frustrated even though it fluctuates often. But Matt's cooking lunch right now and he's making his hamburgers. Super excited. What to make in? What's on the menu?
My infamous hamburgers, or my famous.
Yeah, I was gonna say infamous is a good thing,
Oops.
buddy. Would you like some help, darling?
I'm good, thank you. You sit down, relax.
Okay. Whoa.
The fact that this relationship has resulted.
I'm so excited. Everything's organic.
Let me know what you think of that sauce.
Okay. Bite. Dude. Oh my god.
Look, it's like so juicy, isn't it? There's pickles in the sauce.
Wait, this is amazing.
Yes, I know
Oh my god, it's so good.
And the sauce is ketchup, mayonnaise, mustard, and diced up pickles. Like a little relish.
Yeah, it's like in and out.
Yep. Animal style is what I'm gonna call it.
Say hi for the vlog.
Yeah, this is the 6-6, right?
Yes. Oh, this is new. This is cute.
For them.
Oh, that's good.
That looks so effing good.
That's a seafood pasta.
That's the grilled sea scallop pasta.
Oh, seafood salad. Here.
What about Leslie's?
Not too far.
I actually had it.
We're like almost there, I think. Right, babe?
Yes.
All right.
We did legs yesterday, so
I know.
I'm like feeling this incline.
Damn, look at that. Look at that tree over there. I swear to God.
Okay, I was about to say it is. It is.
We're at the
nice out
we're at
right
the Georgetown waterfront right now.
Yes, the weather's perfect. It's actually like pretty hot now. It was a little bit colder earlier. You know, a restaurant's bougie when their menu's like beautiful. Oh my god. Look at that. Marbling. Guys, this is literally my favorite two things.
I'll try one by itself.
Do you see Matt? He's defeated. It was so good though.
Yeah.
I think like the best Korean barbecue that I've ever had.
Yeah. Because it's not just chado or like pork, it's real cuts of beef.
And it's like, we got the premium one, so it was
Yeah.
like that marbleized goodness.
Yeah, so good.
One of Matt's friends, Vito, is gonna be making us homemade pizza. Excited, thank you. Oh man. Dude, that sauce is amazing.
Yeah, but that's what makes it so good, dude.
Wow.
This is real pizza, not
No,
not the
this
shit you
is
get from,
so
you know.
good. Everywhere else.
Oh man.
But to get it like this, it takes a lot of.
Oh my god, guys, I'm like literally in food coma. I was in food coma like after the first slice. Like, I don't know what it was. I think it's because we went to the gym. Like, I was so tired. And now I'm like even more tired.
Yeah, we're almost home now.
Oh my god, it is so humid today. It's supposed to be raining all day, but it's just so hot inside my house. I hate when I'm doing my makeup and I'm just like sweating while doing my makeup because then it gets ruined. It is now Thursday. It's Thursday, right? Yeah, it's Thursday. And I'm heading to Tasha's now. The weather is like pretty shitty. It's just like a lot of wet. But tomorrow's supposed to be nice, so that's good. I just got to Tasha's house and she literally has the best natural lighting ever. This is something I wish I had. But this is a little tour. So we're gonna be tomorrow for Panchiko night. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. Panchiko, it's like a Korean drama. Or I think it was a book first. Tosh will know better, she's a huge fan.
First, one of the oil. This.
These are my presents from Tosh.
And then we have hand and nail cream.
Oh my god,
this
my
is new
favorite.
packaging.
Oh, so it is new packaging.
Yeah, it's cute, right?
Yes.
It's the same formula, just new packaging. And then I just got you travel sizes of our toner and then the micellar water. Just because you go to
my
Matt's.
favorite micellar water.
Yes. And then instant detox.
Hey, what was the oil
mask.
cleanser you're talking about?
The oil cleanser? This one.
Whoa, it's in a spray?
It's a pump.
Oh, it's a pump.
Yeah.
Cool.
It's
I'm
my
excited. I'm gonna
favorite.
get it today.
And then this is our new beauty elixir, the mini one. So I got it for ya.
Thank you for all the
bag.
goodies.
Yeah. Bye, Codely.
See ya. Just got to, where are we?
We're in Exchange Place, Jersey City.
Jersey City, and we're gonna get sandwiches. This place looks so good. So they're out of sandwiches.
Ah, yes.
They ended at 3. It is now like 3:30, so we just missed it. But we're gonna
We were late because we were too busy talking.
It's okay. So now we just got coffees, and then we're gonna go to Megan's soon.
So pretty. So pretty.
Oh my god. That's so freaking cute.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back.
Sushi platter. We just got back from H Mart.
What is this? Oh, choco paint?
Yeah.
Thanks, son.
Ooh. Keep your plastic bags.
Yes.
We do.
We are a traditional Asian household.
Dude, people were saying, they're like, do you guys still keep birthday card or birthday bags and stuff from our mom, or is it just me? And
Oh, I do.
Oh, same.
Yeah.
She said life is just a symbol for the pain that you can get through. Like a camel through the needle. Everyday people are just 1,000 versions of who they were. So love me like we're equal. 'Cause if there is no sequel, I'd rather live in peaceful understanding that we believed our every single word. Turn the clocks back a couple dials. We should throw them out because time ain't ours. Oh, burn these blocks down a couple miles. We could build them up until the sky was as old. I lived 100 years of solitude with you.
So I'm back home now from Tasha's house. I got back maybe like 3 hours ago, but now it's time for me to go to Julie's because it's her birthday weekend that we're celebrating. So now I'm driving there. It's gonna take about 50 minutes.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that
We're about to head to dinner now. We're going to, where are we going? Pine on Giorgio on Pine. I'm pretty sure it's a pasta spot. A pasta spot.
dials, we should throw them out because time ain't ours, oh, but you feel